In this video, we're unboxing and replacing the rear air spring for Dodge Ram 1500. The rear air spring. The air fitting. The safety warning sheet for installation. Air fitting installation instruction. The following are the tools used for replacing the rear air spring. Large torque wrench. Large F-style extension bar. 22mm wheel socket. 12mm open-end wrench. Large short extension bar. Small 8mm short socket. Large electric impact wrench. Impact driver. Using the 22mm wheel socket with the large short extension bar and F-style extension bar, loose the lug nuts. Lift the vehicle. Using the 22mm wheel socket with the short extension bar and electric impact wrench to remove the lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Using the impact driver with the 8mm short socket, remove the rear inner fender liner and rear fender flare retaining bolts. After removing the bolts, remove the inner fender liner. Using the 12mm open-end wrench, remove the airline fitting from the rear air spring. Disconnect the airline fitting in the gap between the frame and the body. When you hear air leaking out, pause for a moment. Let the air spring completely bleed. Once the leaking sound stops, we can pull the airline out. Push the 3 retaining clips inward on top of the spring base. Then you can remove the air spring. Remove the air spring. Here is the comparison of old versus new rear air spring. The old air spring had an air leak, so we are replacing it with a brand new one. On the new air spring, remove the brass fitting. Replace the brass fitting on the airline. After removing the fitting, slide the brass stud upward. Remove the retaining clip underneath. Next, take out the brass stud. Before installing the new brass fitting, make sure the fitting on the airline is clean. Then install the brass fitting. Install the retaining clip. The tapered side of the retaining clip faces the brass stud. Leave a 3mm distance below the retaining clip. Install the air spring. When installing, make sure the bottom side of the base, the side with the notch, need to face the front of the vehicle. Connect the brass fitting. Once it's connected, secure the retaining clip on top. Align the locating pin and lock the retaining clip. Using the 12mm open-end wrench, tighten the brass fitting on the air spring. Install the inner fender liner. Using the impact driver with the 8mm short socket, secure the inner fender liner and fender flare retaining bolts. Thread in the fender flare retaining bolts one by one. Install the wheel. Using the electric impact wrench with the large short extension bar and 22mm wheel socket to snug the lug nuts. Lower the vehicle. This is what it looks like after installing the air spring. Now it's the lowest ride height, and we lift up. Continuing to lift. Raise to the highest setting. Now lowering. Continuing to lower. Now at the lowest setting, using the 22mm wheel socket with the large short extension bar and torque wrench to tighten the lug nuts. Torque specific, 150 Newton meters, 111 foot-pounds. After installation is complete, we need to complete a 4-wheel alignment. The installation process for the right side air spring is the same as the left side.